This short audio-visual description has been developed as a part of the MPSRLM process monitoring study by Inspire Network for Environment. This story is about the strength of village unity from the village Karrai in Sheopur district of Madhya Pradesh. Belonging to the Gurjar caste and Sehriya tribe, the residents of this village depend upon farming, wage labor and NTFPs to earn their living. Due to the lack of proper irrigation facilities, the farm produce was abysmal and agricultural labor was not sufficiently available. This forced the villagers to migrate to other places in search of livelihood. With the initiation of the Aajeevika mission, the team motivated the women to form self-help groups. Subsequently, the village organization or VO was also formed. During their meetings, among other issues, the VO discussed about the village level problems as well. The long-standing problem of non-availability of drinking water and water for irrigation was made the focal point of discussion by Karrai Adivasi, the president of the VO. Earlier efforts by the community to solve this problem yielded no results. Then, with able support and guidance from the mission team, the women decided to intervene in the matter directly through their VO. They rented a tractor and collectively went to meet the district collector of Sheopur and apprised him of the issue.
सर हमारे गांव पे पानी नहीं है।
अच्छा।
और सर हम पानी की व्यवस्था कर दो।
हाँ।
फसल भी कर लेंगे सर, पानी भी पी लेंगे।
The collector directed the Sehriya Development Agency to install bore wells in Karrai. As a result of the collector's directive and support from the electricity department, bore wells were installed at 7 different locations.
अच्छा, अब ये आ गया आपके यहाँ पानी का बोर हो गया, तो अब क्या फसल क्या लोगे? और
सर फसल हम गेहूं की ले लेंगे, सोयाबीन की ले लेंगे,
अच्छा,
धान की ले लेंगे सर, साग सब्जी की ले लेंगे,
अच्छा,
पेड़ पौधान की ले लेंगे सर।
अच्छा।
Presently, water from each bore well is being used by at least 7 to 9 farmers, directly benefiting about 60 families from the village. The VO profusely thanks the mission team for their untiring efforts and continuous support. As a result of this hard work, the beneficiaries of the bore wells expect to take more than 2 crops this year.